Which snow chain is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're diving into 5 options that could really make your winter driving safer and easier. Product number 1, SCC SZ143 Super Z6. First up is the SCC SZ143 Super Z6. Priced around $80.55, this tire chain grabbed my attention with its clever design for vehicles with limited clearance. If you want easy installation and reliable traction, this is worth a serious look. This means you can install it without moving your vehicle, which is a huge time saver when you're stuck in the snow. Plus, it features a built-in rubber tightener so you won't have to stop to retighten it after you've installed it. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, users rave about its ease of use. Now, some people complained about the chains not fitting perfectly on larger tires. Here's the thing though, if your vehicle fits within the guidelines, you're golden. Just double-check your tire size before you buy. This is perfect for you if you have a vehicle with limited clearance and just want something that works easily. Skip this one if you drive a larger truck or SUV that requires a beefier option. For the price, it's definitely a smart choice for winter safety. Product number 2, AUVEBY Quick Fit Snow Chains. Next on the list is the AUVEBY Quick Fit Snow Chains, retailing for $99.99. What caught my eye is its 1-minute installation feature, which is a lifesaver when the weather's turning bad. If you want a hassle-free chain that doesn't require stopping to retighten, this is a great contender. These chains are designed to fit most passenger cars and SUVs, and they come with an auto-fixing device that means you can just click and go. Made from durable manganese steel, they provide solid grip on snow and ice, which is invaluable when you're facing tough driving conditions. Plus, they're easy to clean and store with the included box, making them super convenient. With a 4.5-star rating from 383 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate the simplicity. However, there are some complaints about the chains being a bit bulky when stored. But honestly, if you're prioritizing ease of installation on the road, this might not be an issue that bothers you. This is ideal for those who want a quick installation and don't want to mess around with rubber tighteners. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact to store, as these are a bit larger. Product number 3, Artisals Auto Tightening Chains. The third option is the Artisals Auto Tightening Snow Chains, also priced at $99.99. Their quick install feature really caught my attention, especially for those who want to avoid the hassle in snowy conditions. If you need reliable traction that's easy to install, this could be your pick. These chains also use high-quality manganese steel, ensuring they won't damage your tires while providing great grip. The diamond pattern design enhances traction and comfort while driving, which is something you really want on slippery roads. With a 4.2-star rating from 298 reviews, they seem to have a loyal following. One downside I noticed was some users mentioned that they can be a bit tricky to fit on certain tire sizes. But look, if you go through the fitting options and choose the right size, you should be fine. This is perfect for you if quick installation and a smooth ride are top priorities. Skip this if you have an unusual tire size that may not be accommodated. Product number 4, K&K Boutique Snow Socks. Fourth on the list are the K&K Boutique Snow Socks, priced at $69.99. What drew me to them is their eco-friendly design and the promise of excellent grip without the bulk of traditional chains. If you're looking for a lighter, quieter option, this might be right for you. These snow socks provide better traction and improved steering and braking performance. They're also reusable and can be easily washed, which is a plus for the environment. Designed for various vehicles, they offer a quick 5-minute assembly, making them great for emergencies. With a decent 4.1-star rating from 136 reviews, they cater to those who want a more eco-conscious choice. Some users reported they wear out faster than traditional chains. Here's the thing though, if you use them as intended and only during emergencies, they will hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive in winter conditions and want something light and eco-friendly. Skip this if you need something ultra-durable for consistent use in heavy snow. Product number 5, Cocoa Bird Snow Chains. Finally, we have the Cocoa Bird Snow Chains coming in at a budget-friendly $54.99. I was intrigued by their wear-resistant design and easy installation. If you're on a tight budget but still want reliable performance, these could be a solid choice. These chains feature a full-envelope mesh design that enhances grip and durability on icy roads. With a rating of 3.9 stars from 345 reviews, they're a popular option for those who want something affordable yet effective. However, some users mention that they can be a bit difficult to install without practice. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the value they bring. This is perfect for budget-conscious drivers who still need a reliable option. Skip this if you prefer something that's super easy to install right out of the box. In summary, we've looked at 5 snow chains that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you want something easy to install, eco-friendly, or budget-friendly, there's an option here for you. Make sure to choose the one that fits your vehicle and driving conditions best. Stay safe out there.